Hi, my name is Darren McHugh. I am the Head of Procurement and Supply at Multihog. We are a manufacturer of a range of multi-purpose vehicles and sweepers, which we sell to customers all around the world, including contractors, airports and municipalities. We produce 350 units per year and growing. We originally had one aisle master. We needed a second aisle master due to our expansion, and when we seen the order picker, it looked like the perfect fit for Multihog. The guys in stores found the transition from the original aisle master to the order picker very easy to find. Within 1 or 2 hours, they were fully up to speed with the controls. It wasn't until we actually got the order picker we seen actually how much we needed, because the guys are picking parts, let's say it's 20 or 30 parts per kits. That means they're getting off the forklift 20 or 30 times. So the order picker allows them to get off very easy and very quickly, and also very safely.